Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Antec Vortex View AIO CPU coolers. So friend, Antec proudly announced the launch of the Antec Vortex View, an advanced all-in-one liquid cooler engineered for enthusiasts who demand both performance and personalization. So friend, it sets a new benchmark for cooling design and user immersion, featuring a 360-degree rotatable 5-inch IPS display that delivers crisp system stats, real-time performance metrics, and custom visual viewable from any angle. And friend, it is also tuned for platform-specific thermal performance, ensuring optimal cooling across both AMD and Intel configuration based on mounting direction. Behind the display is an integrated addressable backglow designed to subtly illuminate surrounding components and fully controllable through the iUnity software platform. And friend, the Vortex View continues Antec's commitment to high performance thermal solution equipped with a high efficiency PWM pump, premium branded tubing, and ARGB fans optimized for airflow and silence. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.